You eat flax because it's healthy, right? Omega-3s, fiber, heart protection. It sounds perfect. But here's the truth almost nobody tells you. The way most people use flax actually cancels out its benefits. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to make flax work for you, not against you. And by the end, I'll share a simple 7-day plan that can change how your digestion and energy feel this week. Maybe you sprinkle flax on your porridge every morning, or mix it into a smoothie, yet your stomach still feels heavy or bloated. It's not your fault. Most of us were never told the right way to use it. After 50, our digestion slows. So tiny habits make a big difference. Let's fix those together, one by one. Here's what we'll uncover. 1. The 3 biggest flax mistakes that secretly waste its nutrients. 2. The simple fix that unlocks its real power. Stick with me till the end, because that's where I'll reveal one bedtime flax recipe that no one talks about. Mistake number 1. Eating whole seeds. Think of this. You're swallowing gold that's locked inside a rock. That's exactly what happens when you eat whole flax seeds. Your stomach can't break that hard shell. The nutrients just pass straight through. If you've ever seen them later, that's proof enough. Fix. Grind small batches, about 2 tablespoons at a time. When you hear that tiny crack, that's nutrition unlocking. Keep it sealed in a cool, dark place. One viewer from Texas told me she'd been using flax for years but never felt lighter. After she started grinding fresh each week, she wrote back, "I finally feel the difference." Quick question. Do you grind your flax or buy it pre-ground? That single choice decides whether your body absorbs it or wastes it. Mistake number 2. Eating it dry. Have you ever sprinkled flax on dry cereal or swallowed it with water? That's the next mistake. Flax can absorb up to 10 times its weight in liquid. If you eat it dry, it expands inside your stomach, pulling moisture from your gut and slowing digestion. That heavy, tight feeling after a so-called healthy breakfast, that's dehydration pretending to be fullness. Fix. Mix 1 tablespoon of flax with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for 10 minutes until it forms a soft gel. That gel soothes your stomach lining and helps healthy bacteria grow. A 2024 Harvard Gut Health Review found that prehydrated fiber like flax gel improved digestion speed by 41%. So it's not a social media trick, it's real biology. And if you're thinking, that sounds messy, just wait. The next mistake is what makes even fresh flax go bad, right inside your kitchen. Mistake number 3. Using old or stale flax. Go check your bag. Does it smell slightly bitter or like old paint? That's oxidized flax. When its natural oils go rancid, they create inflammation instead of healing it. A 2023 University of Toronto review tested 60 samples of flax powder, and more than half turned rancid within 21 days once opened. Fix. Grind small portions every 2 weeks and store them in a glass jar in the fridge. Fresh flax smells nutty, clean, and slightly sweet. That's when its omega-3s are alive. If you've ever felt tired after eating healthy food, this small freshness fix can completely flip that feeling. Let's recap quickly. 1. Grind it fresh. 2. Soak it before eating. 3. Keep it cold and sealed. These 3 changes turn flax from an empty habit into a healing one. And remember, it's not just about food. It's about feeling light, steady, and comfortable in your own body again. Recipe number 1. Creamy morning flax bowl. Here's my favorite. 1 tablespoon of ground flax, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a few berries, a pinch of cinnamon, and a splash of milk. Mix it, let it sit for a minute. Creamy, cooling, perfect for your gut. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine breakfast that actually makes you feel calm, instead of heavy. That's what this small bowl does. Here's another quick one. 1 tablespoon ground flax, 2 tablespoons hummus, lemon juice, garlic, and black pepper. Mix well and spread on toast or crackers. Crunchy, tangy, satisfying, and your heart will thank you. While you enjoy that taste, know this. If you're still watching, that already means you care more about your health than most people do. And I'm proud of you. Maybe you've tried diets, teas, or supplements that didn't work. That's okay. It was never your fault. Nobody explained the simple science behind small habits. Now you know how to let your body actually listen again. Picture tomorrow morning. You grind those fresh seeds, soak them, and feel light after breakfast instead of bloated. That calm, clean energy. That's you. If this helped you, comment "Fix" below and subscribe for more.